Hey everyone! Welcome back to Megaminfos, where we take a journey through time to uncover the most fascinating events from history. You won't believe what happened on this very day. From groundbreaking inventions to shocking historical moments, we've got it all covered. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into today in history.
Here are some key historical events that took place on 23rd February in Tamil Nadu, India, and the world. Tamil Nadu, 1883 birth of K. Kamaraj, unofficially observed on this day in some records, a key leader in Tamil Nadu politics and a major figure in India's independence movement. Birth anniversary of Muthuraman, 1929, a popular Tamil film actor known for his roles in classic movies. 1968, DMK government nationalized private transport services. The Tamil Nadu government took steps to bring private bus services under public control to improve transport facilities. 1976, Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant Agreement. On this day, discussions between India and the Soviet Union progressed towards the establishment of the Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant in Tamil Nadu, though the project was officially signed later. 1982 Manager announces free midday meal scheme expansion, a landmark moment in Tamil Nadu's welfare policies. 2017 Tamil Nadu CM Edappadi K. Palaniswamy wins trust vote in Assembly, a crucial political event following the demise of J. Jayalalitha. India, 1739 Nadir Shah invades India and defeats Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah, leading to the sacking of Delhi and the loss of the Peacock Throne. 1940 Master Tara Singh raises Kirpan against the Muslim League's Pakistan resolution, a key event in India's pre-independence religious politics. 1944 Subhas Chandra Bose lays the foundation for the Indian National Army, INA, headquarters in Rangoon, a crucial moment in India's fight for independence. 1969 The first Rajya Sabha live broadcast in India, strengthening parliamentary transparency. 1991 Launch of India's IRS-1B remote sensing satellite, a milestone in India's space exploration program. 2007 Samjhauta Express bomb blast suspects arrested, a significant development in Indo-Pak relations. 2009 India's first unmanned moon mission, Chandrayaan-1, discovers water molecules on the moon, though the formal announcement came later in September. World 1455 Traditional date for the publication of the Gutenberg Bible, the first book printed using movable type. 1836 The Battle of the Alamo begins in Texas, a crucial battle in Texas' fight for independence. 1941 Plutonium is first produced and isolated in a lab, a key step in nuclear research. 1945 Iwo Jima flag raising. U.S. Marines raised the American flag on Mount Suribachi during World War II. 1954 The first mass inoculation of children against polio using the Salk vaccine takes place in Pittsburgh, USA. 1987 Supernova 1987A is observed, the brightest supernova seen from Earth in 400 years. 2022 Russia begins full-scale invasion of Ukraine, marking the start of the ongoing conflict. 2011 The Libyan civil war intensifies as Muammar Gaddafi orders violent crackdowns, the key moment in the Arab Spring uprisings.